Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to install HBO Max on Fire Stick. Let's go. Open search, find Max. If you don't have a Max account yet, then click subscribe and get app. If you already have an account, then click get app only. After installation, log into your account. That's it, now you know how to install HBO Max on Fire Stick. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.